So you're saying that you don't have rhythm, but look what you're doing right there. With that stamp in the book, you got a real nice hook. Sounds like you got rhythm to spare. No idea what you're talking about. It's got as much rhythm as that chair. What happened to me was a tragedy, but I don't have to be a millionaire. There's a big deal going on here, and all of us I can read. This sweet old lady. This is coming from the AIDS. Library needs. They ain't got rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. Don't you see what you're doing right then? Wicked groove, you were starting to move. Mr. You got rhythm times 10. So you are not listening. I find it tedious to repeat. Like no big. I'm telling you, I've lost a beat. T-shirts, power chords, guitar. And then, shame, I don't need to be a rock star. Got rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. Got rhythm. Rhythm. You ain't got rhythm. Brand new generation. 'Cause they ain't got rhythm. Will you just go join the band? Ain't got rhythm. Ain't got rhythm. Ain't got rhythm. Got rhythm. Ain't got rhythm.